Will you really not sign the BICAM report if that's not resolved?
Na tatlo yung contentious issues as far as the Senate is concerned. Una, yung MAIT. Second, yung farm to market road. Third, yung balance, yung 53-54 billion na sinasabing overpriced na kailangan kartasin sa budget. Ang hindi lang namin napagkasundan so far, yung 53-54 billion na sinasabi ngayon ng DPWH na kailangan bawasan. Kasi pagka nag-deadlock at inabot kami ng Happy New Year, hindi Happy New Year yun. Reenacted New Year yan.
Enacted.
Sa budget. Deadlock eh. Naka-deadlock kami. Unless may mga remedies, may mga safeguards na kailangan may pasok para matuloy yung bicameral conference. Nag-deadlock dahil sa hindi pagkakasundo, unang-una doon sa 54 billion na sinasabi. Gusto ng House bawasan yon. Kami medyo titigil sa namin. At ako, nagsabi na ako kung unless makita ko talagang malinaw yung safeguards, I'm sorry but I will go along with the minority in case they will not sign the ratification ng budget. Hindi ako pipirma ng ratification. Kasi kanya-kanya tayong advocacy. May advocacy sa health, may advocacy sa education. Ako, advocacy ko naman talaga ayusin yung budget eh.